Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my channel. Here we do lifestyle kind of videos, skincare, makeup, haul, hair, tools, reviews. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe, stay, join us, join the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. So today's video is going to be a funny video. We're going to be trying 3 pair of sunglasses from Smartbuyglasses and I have 2 of the house brand, and this is the Paris collection, and I have 2 of that, and then I have 1 designer brand sunglasses that we're going to be trying. And this video has been overdue for a little while now, but when they come in I did have to send one of them to get tight because it was a little loose on my face, and I just got them this morning, and this still, after I have them tight, I still feel that they are a little loose on my face. The first one that we're going to be trying definitely is going to be my favorite one. This is a Gucci sunglasses, and it's super pretty. The reason why I really like these frames was how colorful they are and different, and I do not have anything in sunglasses that look like these, so definitely is a nice little addition to the family. And the sunglasses is very beautiful, very well made. You come with the pretty case here. The website actually offers the virtual try-on tool, which is really nice, that you actually can try on your face what the frame look before you try them. And they do also offer prescribed sunglasses, so if you guys want to look for a nice beautiful sunglass frame on a prescribed lens, you can buy it, or just a pair of beautiful sunglasses. And they do have beautiful, amazing different brands, and they do have the house brands that's very more affordable, and today we're going to be talking about them. So the first one I'm going to be try on is going to be my favorite one. Alright, so let's go. And this is what the frame look like on the face. So when I got it, like you guys can see, it is a kind of a big shade, which I like. You know, I like the big glasses that actually cover your whole eyes and a little bit of your face. I don't know, just give me a little bit of extra protection on my eyes. But these sunglasses is amazing. It's very fashionable, and you can use in with the endless look, and looks very elegant, sophisticated, very beautiful. Definitely one of my favorite shades. Very pretty. You guys can see this beautiful. I have like a almost look like a sparkle, colorful little stripes on the side and on the frame and the top, and the lens are super dark, the way I love it for, you know, hot sunny days. So I'm gonna put this beauty down because, like I told you guys, it's my favorite one. Alright, so let's put this one down so we can try on the next pair, but this one definitely was my favorite one. And the next one that we're going to be trying is going to be this one here, the Arise I think collection. And here we have the shade in the box, in the little case. Alright, and this is super pretty too. It's like a little more lighter color shade. Oh, this is so pretty, and definitely goes with my dress. Just remove this tag here, so you're not gonna need you. So Smartbuy sunglasses have a variety of different shades, different size, for different styles and gender. And one thing that I like about the company is that they actually have a program where they give back to the community, and they have like a program that they help the environment, so that's a big plus. So when you're buying from them, you know that besides getting a beautiful, especially the house brands, a good price pair of shade, you also are contributing to to the environment and to communities in need. But this frame is very beautiful, and I'm gonna have the link below for each one of the frames if you guys want to give it a try. This one is super pretty. It's just like a, you know, a lighter shade. A lot of my shades are dark, so I thought this one was something different of what I already have. But it's super pretty, super nice, very elegant, and very well made too. And like I said, this is the house brand, so you can see that's a very good quality. And in the little pouch here for carry your glasses, it comes also with the little cloth. Let's put this one back so we can try the next shade. This one is more like, almost like a kind of aviator style, in the frame in a shade gray. It is something different, but it's pretty too. So what you guys think? And they're very comfortable too on the face, very well made. And the brand collections, they are having a huge sale right now, so if you guys want to head there and check them out. And I do have a discount code for you guys that's going to be in the description of this video, and the link for all the 3 shades if you guys decided to give them a try. Like I said, they're very pretty and they're very well made. And I have the 3 shades here again so you can see it. Very nice. Very beautiful, very stylish, and you can use it to different looks. Depends what's your mood on. Yeah, so I'm going to add in the description of this video the link for the shades and the discount code for you guys that they were nice enough to let me have it, so you guys can save some money if you decide to get a new pair of shades. And if you guys have any question about Smart by sunglasses, drop in the comment of this video and I will answer the best that I can. Thank you so much for watching this review. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.